Hello there, this is Gordon Bateson with another short QuizPort tutorial. Today we're going to talk about limiting the number of attempts on a QuizPort activity and on the quizzes within a QuizPort activity. So we're looking at a course page now which has several QuizPorts on it, and if I turn the page into edit mode like this, I can go to the edit page for a QuizPort activity. And you'll see here at the bottom part of the page in the access control section, there's a setting to specify how many attempts a student can have at the activity. So it's important to remember that this is the updating a QuizPort page, and so when we're limiting the attempts here, this is the number of attempts at the whole QuizPort. So that's how we do that. But it may be that you want to specify a limited number of attempts for each of the quizzes within a QuizPort. So let's have a look how to do that. We need to get to the page which allows us to edit settings for the individual quizzes. And to get to that page, we go firstly into the QuizPort, and as a teacher we get these tabs along the top, and we click on the Edit Quizzes. This will show us the quizzes in the QuizPort along with some settings. Because there are so many settings, they can be grouped together, and if from the Show Columns menu here we pick the Access Control set of settings, you can see here on the right hand side we've got the attempt limit, and at the moment the attempt limit for all the quizzes is unlimited. So let's go to one of these quizzes. There's an edit icon here for this quiz, and this will take me to the updating a quiz, which is different from the updating a QuizPort page which we looked at just now. So I'm on the updating a quiz page, and these are settings just for this particular quiz. If I go to the access control area, I've got here attempts allowed, and I'm going to set that to 2. So the students can have 2 attempts at this quiz. So I'll save that now, and you'll see here that this setting has changed. Now I could change the other quizzes in the same way, but it's actually quicker if I select that setting and I select the other quizzes, and I choose this quiz as the default setting, and then I go to the bottom of the page and I choose here, it's already selected actually, apply selected default values, and I click go, and that will apply the 2 attempts to the other quizzes as well. So that now means that students can have 2 attempts at each of these quizzes, and so that's how we set the attempt limit for individual quizzes as opposed to the QuizPort activity itself. Okay, good luck and happy QuizPorting.